Hi, welcome to Tuesday. Here's your Tuesday math assignments. So you're going to start here. And today you're going to find equivalent ratios and rates by using unit rates and equivalent fractions. So you're going to read the information in black and then watch the video. And that will kind of help you understand a little bit more about what an equivalent rate and equivalent fraction is. When you watch the video, then you can click next and it takes you to your vocabulary. You have 2 words today. Just a reminder that the dictionary for math is right here. So you click the dictionary, find the 2 words, make 2 different word maps. If you're not able to take a picture of your map and submit it to Canvas, you can also type your words and definitions into the text box. So if you would rather do that, you're going to click submit. If you want to do a text entry, then you would come over here and click text entry, type your words in, and type in your definition, your example, in your own words and non-examples, and when you were finished. So just to help you understand, if your word is unit rate, you're going to type in unit rate, you're going to type the definition, you're going to then type an example, then you're going to type in your own words and write about the word in your own thinking. And then you're also going to do non-examples and give some non-examples of a unit rate. And you're going to do that for both words. And then you can click submit and you'll see the confetti. Good job. Then you're done and you click next. It's the learn section. And again, your objective is right here. So you're learning to find equivalent ratios and rates by using unit rates and equivalent fractions. You're going to watch the video clips to learn more about how to do that. So your video clips are here. There's only 2 of them today. Then you're done and you click next. Now it's time for you to show what you've learned. So you're going to have 2 IXL assignments. And you start at the top and you click it and it opens up the IXL assignment. And you're going to get 90 points. And then when you're finished, you go to do the second one and you get 90 points here. And after you're done, then if you need help, you can watch the videos. If you don't need help and you're able to get 90 points, then you can click next. You have your discussion. And the discussion and what you need to write about is in blue. When you're ready to type your answer, you click submit, and it's going to give you, you click reply, and you type in your answer, and you post your reply. You also have to like 2 classmates' posts, and like 3 classmates' posts, and respond to 2 other classmates' posts. When you are finished, you click next. You are done in math. You have the stop sign. Good job today. See you tomorrow.